Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a video about I'm off today, so I'm cooking but without any montage, without anything guys. So I will show you what I'm cooking. So this one, it's lentils soup. So I will show you. I think most of you they know this. So I bought these lentils from little supermarket just today Friday. So I'm cooking lentils. Then later on, when it's done, I will blend it. So it will be in a form of a soup. I'm preparing the blender. So usually this one, it will be my breakfast in the morning. So before I go to duty, it will be my breakfast soup, lentil soup with dates, banana, fruit. And this is my lunch today. I know it's a bit late because I think it's already 5 o'clock now, but what to do? So this is the Moroccan food, one of the most famous Moroccan food. I think there are a lot of people they know about this food. The name of this one is Tagine. So what I did, I placed the vegetable inside. Then today I have decided to make fish tagine instead of meat or chicken. Anyway, I have chicken in the fridge, but I like fish more than. And this is Sibrim fish. I put tomato, potato, carrots, of course. It's there. I think you can see it. And garlic, and what else? And I put marrow and ingredients on the top. So this one I will put it in the stove so it can start to be cooked. I will show you how it is done. So after I will put the ingredients and I will place everything here. I will put now olive oil. I'm not using, by the way, cooking oil. This is olive oil. I have this brand, and I have this one Afia. So I can use any one of them. I don't like cooking oil, guys. So I will put a little bit of olive oil on the top, because olive oil, it's much more better than the cooking oil. It's healthy. Then I think you know this one, guys. This is my food, healthy food. Bay leaves. I will put 1 or 2. Then guys, I'm gonna cover this. This is the cover of tagine. I'm sure that some of you already know about this one. Then I will place it here. I don't want to make this video very long, but anyway, I will post this video without any montage. So now I have few things that I need to put. So this is for tagine. For tagine, it's done already. Now I'm going to add some vegetable for with the lentils. So this is potato. I cut it into small pieces. I will put it here. I hope you can see, guys. This is carrots. The same thing. And now I will put a little bit parsley with both in the tagine. By the way, I still did not put it in the tagine, but I will put it now. This is parsley. I will put it here in the lentils. Then I will mix. And I would like, guys, to share with you, this is the ingredients that I like. This is all these ingredients, I like them. And I mean, I have them all the time with me in the kitchen. This is cumin, it's a very good, you know that. This is coriander seeds. But it's like coriander powder. But I have another one, coriander seeds. This is, of course, paprika, ginger. This one maybe only some of you will know about this, I'm not sure. This is fennel seeds, but it's in a form of a powder. You can put it in the food, it's very good for the immune system. This is turmeric, guys, and this is chili. I like to cook, guys, by the way. I like to cook, but because I'm working the whole week, I have only one day off. Usually I will, the heavy food I will cook it in my off day. The other days I will cook something which does not, I mean, it will not take a long time. Something which is quick. That's it. So now, I need to wash the dishes now. All the dishes that I have used, I need to wash it. Anyway, I think, guys, I will stop the video here. And later on I will share with you another video with more details, if you are interested. So before I will finish this video, now everything is done. It's being cooked. Everything is in the stove. Now I'm going to make a fruit salad. I just bought grapes from the supermarket, one banana and one apple. This is my favorite fruit salad. Then all these fruits I will cut them and put them in this one. I will mix the fruits here. Then I will put a little bit of dates. I bought these dates from the supermarket as well just today. So I will cut it into small pieces and mix everything here and put it in the fridge. When it is cold, then I will eat. Anyway, guys, see you. I just need to arrange a few things here in the kitchen. Then later on I will try to make another video with more details. If you are interested to know about how to make tagine or lentils or whatever. Anyway, thank you, guys. Take care. See you.